Starting around the 12th of April 2023, Axie Vastness is exchanging at $8.37 in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.12% and genuinely most recent 1 hour amazingly. Axie in a real sense has an exceptionally complete market cap of $970,314,628 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $53,221,016, or so they most certainly thought. This essentially makes Axie Vastness by and large positioning at 53 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the Axie limitlessness cost expectation end of 2023, what will Axie boundlessness in a real sense be worth in 2023 in a genuinely significant manner? Is Axie endlessness a genuinely wise venture or in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023 incredibly? Will Axie cost certainly outperform its unequaled high in an unpretentious manner? These generally are our Axie limitlessness cost expectations for Axie's future in a really significant manner. Axie limitlessness value forecast 2023. Further appearance how in the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Axie boundlessness cost expectation end of 2023. What will Axie vastness explicitly be worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? As per the Axie boundlessness cage cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Axie cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $11.18. The normal kind of least value worth of Axie limitlessness toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to especially be $10.76, or so they generally thought. Besides, Axie can arrive at an all things considered greatest value level of $12.62 in an unobtrusive manner. Axie endlessness value expectation April 2023. Axie limitlessness cost in every practical sense is supposed to really reach between $8.15 to $9.17 in April 2023, while the in every practical sense normal cost of Axie for the April in a real sense stays around $8.92. Axie boundlessness value figure May 2023. For May 2023, the cost of Axie vastness is in every way that really matters, anticipated to arrive at a kind of typical cost of $9.18, while the coin could exchange between an in every way that really matters limit of $9.62 and at least $8.76, or so they basically thought. Axie boundlessness value gauge June 2023. In June 2023, the greatest cost for Axie endlessness could stretch around $9.98. Moreover, the minimum cost of Axie in June 2023 is $9.03 with a typical cost of $9.37 in an unobtrusive manner. Axie value figure July 2023. The Axie limitlessness estimate for July 2023 expects that the Axie may generally arrive at an exceptionally most extreme worth of $10.36 with a base cost of around $9.40, which explicitly is very critical. Discussing the exceptionally normal value Axie can especially stretch around $9.74 for July. Axie boundlessness value forecast August 2023. The cost of Axie vastness explicitly is really anticipated to reach at a for the most part least worth of $9.60 in August 2023 in a very large manner. The Axie cost could explicitly arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $10.75 with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of $9.94 all through 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Axie value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Axie endlessness is gauged to by and large be at around a truly least worth of $9.90, which sort of is very huge. The Axie endlessness value worth can sort of arrive at a truly limit of $11.25 with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $10.24 in USD in a kind of significant way. Axie vastness value expectation October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Axie boundlessness cost for the most part is estimate to arrive at an in a real sense the least cost of $10.22, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The Axie cost could for the most part arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of $11.76 with the by and large normal expected cost around $10.65 in an unpretentious manner. Axie boundlessness value estimate November 2023. The Axie endlessness cost for November 2023 may truly arrive at a fundamentally least worth of $10.52, while the greatest determined cost basically is around $12.18, exhibiting how Axie value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Axie vastness is gauged to basically be at around an exceptionally least worth of $9.90. The typical cost for Axie sort of is by and large anticipated to generally reach $10.86 in November 2023, or so they sort of thought. Axie Value Estimate December 2023. The Axie Vastness figure for December 2023 expects that the Axie may by and large arrive at a greatest worth of $12.62 with a kind of least cost of around $10.76, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking, discussing the truly normal value Axie can in every practical sense stretch around $11.18 for December, or so they for the most part thought. In the essentially beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every way that really matters has been most certainly diminished by 3.5% in its certainly current worth in a by and large enormous manner. Assuming we sort of look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Axie with yesterday, you can by and large see that the market cap is likewise down, which especially is very huge. Axie limitlessness especially is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins. Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking, the Axie in a real sense is down to nearly 2.45% in the genuinely most recent 7 days in a significant manner. The coin really is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for especially past in every practical sense. Scarcely any days, the coin could essentially have sort areas of strength for however, we don't in a real sense feel that it would a beneficial resource in sort of momentary and in all things considered, significant way. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of Axie truly diminished by 26.528%, disposing of an incredible by and large normal amount of $3.02 from its certainly current worth. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be a sort of good truly purchase an open door for fast interest in a very significant manner. The 90 days cost change basically is around 15.64%, and the cost certainly coursed from a really least sort of typical cost of $6.68 to by and large most extreme normal cost of $7.22 in the especially beyond 90 days. In certainly most recent 4 months, Axie limitlessness generally has shown a developing pattern, or so they thought. Hence, we sort of think that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period in a genuinely significant manner. As per particularly the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Axie vastness certainly is expanded from 4 months in an unpretentious manner. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost, which shows that Axie value gauge July 2023. The Axie vastness conjecture for July 2023 expects that the Axie may really arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme worth of $10.36 with an essentially least cost of around $9.40 in an unpretentious manner. The coin in every practical sense is up by 18.41% with the exceptionally greatest kind of typical cost of the coin by and large was around $7.04 and the genuinely least sort of typical cost of for the most part was around $6.12 in beyond 4 months, or so they basically thought. What will be Axie endlessness sort of worth in 2023, which sort of is genuinely critical? The Axie cost basically is determined to arrive at an exceptionally most extreme degree of $12.62 with certainly least cost of $10.76 toward the finish of 2023, or so they in a real sense thought. Does Axie vastness especially have a future in a genuinely significant